Hey guys, if you are looking for a free Lightroom, you are at the right place. I know you probably want a Lightroom crack, but let me tell you that downloading and using a cracked version of Lightroom is not safe. While it may seem like a free alternative, cracked software is just a malware. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how to get an official 7-day free trial full version of Lightroom and absolutely no viruses. At the end of the video, I will also show you how to get another 7 days for free, 14 days total. I will also show you how to cancel subscription without getting charged. So let's get started. On Google, search for Lightroom free download. Click on the link that says Lightroom free download and free trial. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Make sure you are in the Individuals tab. If you only want Lightroom, select Lightroom. If you want any Adobe Creative Cloud app, select Creative Cloud Pro. Click on the Continue button. Click Continue again. If you want 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, select it and click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Enter your card details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you any money. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Click on the Create My Password button to create a password for your Adobe account. Click on the Complete Account button. You will land on the download page. Find Lightroom and click Download. Click Download again. This will download the Lightroom installer file on your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer file. This will open the Creative Cloud Desktop app. Go to Apps and find Lightroom. Click Install. This will begin installing Lightroom on your computer. After the installation finishes, you will have a full version and a 7-day free trial of Lightroom.
Now I will show you how to cancel your Adobe subscription. Click on Manage Account. Let's first cancel Adobe stock subscription. Click on Manage Plan. Click on Cancel your free trial. Enter your Adobe account password which you just created and click Continue. Select a reason for the cancellation and click Continue. Click Continue again and then confirm cancellation. Now let's cancel Creative Cloud Pro subscription. Click on Manage Plan. Click on Cancel your free trial. Select a reason for the cancellation and click Continue. Click Continue again. You can click on Start Chat where you will be able to contact Adobe support to discuss trial extensions. Adobe may offer you another 7-day free trial. Note that the most reliable method to get another 7-day trial is to sign up with a new email address and credit card, or you can cancel the subscription by clicking Confirm Cancellation. It's up to you. That's it for today. If this video helped you out, leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe.